know it all.
Hey guys, what's up? This is me Sudeep and you're watching Know It All. And after a long time, I'm back with yet another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PyCharm Python IDE on your Windows 10 operating systems. But before that, to show some support, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. So without any further ado, let's get started. PyCharm actually is an IDE from JetBrains that is used by developers to code in Python. So before downloading PyCharm, you would have to download Python and install it on your operating system first. For that, you could watch one of my videos for which I would drop a card, and you can access the card by clicking over here. So to continue with the procedure of downloading PyCharm, open your favorite browser and just type PyCharm. Now, from the given set of links, the first one from jetbrains.com is the official site for downloading PyCharm. So click on it. Now, over here, click on the download icon. Now, over here, you have been provided with two options to download from. One is the professional version and the other one is community version. In the professional version, you would be given full support for every development possible in Python. Whereas in the community version, you are given support for simple Python development and scientific development only. But the professional version has some cost associated with it, whereas the community version is free. So we are doing it for learning purpose, so we'll go with the community version first. But if you want to have the professional version, you could first download it for a trial of 30 days, and after that you could pay the fees. So going for the community version now, click on download. As you can see, the download box is here and you just need to give the directory of the download and then click on save. But I won't do that because I've already downloaded a copy to save some time, as it is a quite big file, and to save some time I already downloaded the file. So I will access that copy now. Click on the exe file. I'll close this one now. Now click on yes. Now as you can see, the installation window is open and click on next. Now choose the directory where you want to install the PyCharm IDE. If you don't want to change it, you can leave it as default, but in my case I'm going to set it to my default software installation directory. Now click on next. Now select the version of your Windows depending upon 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. Mine is having 64-bit. Now in case of create associations, you may be aware of that every Python file is saved with .py extension. So click on it and now click on next. Now choose the start menu folder name and click on install. So as you can see, the installation has started and it may take some time depending upon the CPU processing speed. So I'll catch you guys when the installation is complete. So now the installation is complete. Now click on run PyCharm as you want to run it. Click on finish. Now if you had an earlier version of PyCharm, then you could click on custom location to import your settings from there. Otherwise leave it as do not import settings and click on OK. Now the license agreement is here. Scroll down to read it and click on accept. Now it asks for data sharing, but I don't want to share any data, so I'll click on don't send. So now the customization panel is here and you could select any of the theme for your PyCharm I would go with the Dagula and click on next. Now click on skip remaining and set. So this is the welcome window for PyCharm, and it will open up if you do not have any project open in the background in the IDE. But before starting a new project, you would have to configure the PyCharm IDE for the first time so as to set the location of the installed Python directory. Now click on configure and then click on settings. Now go to project interpreter and then click on add. So PyCharm will automatically detect the directory of the Python installation. Now click on OK. So now click on OK. So now we are all set up and ready to launch the IDE. But before that, if you guys are liking the video, then do not forget to drop a like, as it takes a lot of efforts to make such videos. And if you have any suggestions, then you could drop a comment. Now we will continue with the process of creating our first project and click on create new project. Now choose the directory where you want to have your projects. And click on OK. Do not forget to add the name of the folder where you want to have your projects. Maybe I should choose the exact directory. Or let's see. Yeah, this would be fine. And click on OK. Now click on create and click on yes. So your PyCharm ID is online, and for creating your new project, click on file, then new project, and give the location where you want to have your project. Actually, during the creating new project we did earlier, we forgot to give the name of the project, so the folder name is the name of the new project, but instead we are creating another one with a name. So I'll give the directory and click on OK, and then I'll provide the name of the project also this time. And then click on create, and I'll click on open in new window and click on OK. So my new project is ready, and now what I'll do is create a new Python file. For that, go to your new project folder and then right click, then new and Python file. Now give your file a name and then click enter. Now for demonstration, I would use the print keyword to print something. Then I'll pass the parameters. Sorry. Then I'll pass the value, and then I'll save it and go to run, and then run, and then on first. So the output is here, and we have successfully ran our first project. Hope you guys found the video useful, and if you did, please do not forget to drop a like and leave comments for any suggestions. And also do not forget to subscribe to show some support. So that was all about the installation and running first project in Python. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.